My dear viewers and learners, welcome, namaskar. Today in this video, we will learn how to convert Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals.
Welcome, Namaskar. In my previous video, we have learned how to convert Hindu-Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. Today, we are going to learn how to convert Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. তার মানে রোমান সংখ্যা কিদৰে হিন্দু আৰবিক নাম্বাৰলৈ আমি পৰিৱৰ্তন কৰিব পাৰি. Let us do. The first one is XXX. Here is XXX, the symbol XXX. We know that every time a symbol is repeated, its value is added that many number of times, maximum 3 times. We know that X represent 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. That means the value of XXX equal to 30. This is in Roman numerals, this is Hindu-Arabic numerals. তার মানে একটা প্রতীক যিমানবাৰ পুনৰাবৃত্তি হয় সিমানবাৰ যোগ হয়. ম্যাক্সিমাম মানে 3 বাৰ হয়. তো 1 2 3 বাৰ আছে, তাহলে এর মানটো 10 10 plus 10 plus 10 30. Let's move to next one, XL. XL, that means it is given in Roman numerals. We have to convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals. We know that the smaller symbol written before the larger symbol is subtracted. This one is larger, this one is smaller symbol. So what I have to do? আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? ডাঙৰ প্ৰতীকৰ বাঁ হাতে যেটো সৰু প্ৰতীক থাকে এই সৰু প্ৰতীকৰ মানটো বিয়োগ কৰিব লাগিব. So that means L represent 50. What have to do? We have to subtract minus X represent 10. 50 minus 10 equal to 40. XL equal to 40. Next one, LX. We know that the smaller symbol written after the larger symbol is added. That means ডাঙৰ প্ৰতীকৰ হু হাতে সৰু প্ৰতীক থাকিলে সৰু প্ৰতীকৰ মান ডাঙৰ প্ৰতীকৰ লগত কি হয় যোগ হয়. The smaller symbol written after the larger symbol is added. So we know that L represent 50. We have to add plus X represent 10. 50 plus 10 equal to 60. Let's move to next one, LXX. Same way, we know that this one is larger symbol. L represent 50. We know that every time a symbol is repeated, its value also added that many numbers of times. Here is 2x, that means 10 plus 10. তার মানে এই প্রতীকটো দুবার পুনরাবৃত্তি হৈছে, এখানে দুবার 10 লিখা হৈছে. 50 plus 10 plus 10, 50 60 70. Next moves to this one, XC. This one is larger symbol, this one is smaller. We know that the smaller symbol written before the larger symbol is subtracted. তার মানে এইটো ডাঙৰ প্ৰতীকৰ বাও হাতে যেটো সৰু প্ৰতীক থাকে এই সৰু প্ৰতীকৰ মানটো আমি কি কৰিব লাগে, ডাঙৰটোৰ পৰা বিয়োগ কৰিব লাগে। The smaller symbol retained before the larger symbol is subtracted. So we know that C represent 100. 100 minus X represent 10. 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Next one is LXV. Very simple. L represent 50. X represent 10 plus V represent 5. That is 50 plus 10, 60 plus 5, 65. Now let's move to the next one. This one DCXXXV. We know that D represent 500. Then plus C represent 100. Plus we know that every time a symbol is repeated, its value is added that many numbers of times. তাৰ মানে একেটা প্ৰতীক যিমানবাৰ পুনৰাবৃত্তি হয় সিমানবাৰ যোগ কৰিব লাগে, মেক্সিমাম 3 times. 3 times কি আছে, তাৰমানে x represent 10. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus v represent 5. If we add what I get, 500, 600, 10, 20, 30, 35. That means 635. Let us now move to next one. This one MCMXII. We know that M represent 1000 plus, here we see this one is larger symbol, this one is smaller symbol. We know that the smaller symbol written before the larger symbol is subtracted. তাৰমানে এইটো ডাঙৰ, এই ডাঙৰ প্ৰতীকৰ বাওঁ হাতে থকা এই সৰু প্ৰতীকটো থাকিলে আমি কি কৰিব, সৰু প্ৰতীকৰ মানটো কি কৰিব লাগে, বিয়োগ কৰিব লাগে। তো how will you write? This one you have to write first. M represent 1000 minus C represent 100 plus X represent 10, then 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Now 1000 plus 1000 minus 100 means 900 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. If we add 1000 plus 900, 1900, 10, 11, 12. So that means 1912. That means 1912. Next one, MDCCCXLVI. We know that M represent 1000 plus D represent 500 and then C represent 100. We know that every time a symbol is repeated, its value is added that many number of times. তাৰমানে একেটা প্ৰতীক যিমানবাৰ পুনৰাবৃত্তি হয় সিমানবাৰ যোগ কৰিব লাগে। 3বাৰ পুনৰাবৃত্তি 100 plus 100 plus 100, then plus, here we see that means this one is larger, this one is smaller. We know that the smaller symbol written before the larger symbol is subtracted. Then what you have to do? L means 50 minus X means 10 plus B means 5 plus 1. So we have got 1000 plus 500 plus 100 3 times plus 50 minus 10, 40 plus 5 plus 1. If we add 1000, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 46. That means 1846. Next one is LXIX. We know that L represent 50 plus X represent 10. Here is, see that this one is larger, this one is smaller. So what you have to do? We know that the smaller symbol retained before the larger symbol is subtracted. So what you have to do? 10 minus 1. That means 50 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1, 9. That means 69. Then last one is XCVIII. We know that this one is larger one, this one is smaller one. We know that the smaller symbol retained before the larger symbol is subtracted. That means what you have to do? আমি জানো যে ডাঙৰ প্ৰতীকৰ বাও হাতে সৰু প্ৰতীক থাকিলে সৰু প্ৰতীকটো মানটো ডাঙৰ প্ৰতীকৰ মানৰ পৰা কি হয় বিয়োগ হয় that means C represent 100 minus X represent 10 plus then V means 5 and I we know that every time a symbol is repeated its value is added that many number of times. তাৰ মানে একেটা প্ৰতীক যিমান বাৰ পুনৰাবৃত্তি হয় সিমান বাৰ যোগ কৰিব লাগে that means 1 plus 1 plus 1 100 minus 10 90 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 95 96 97 98 98. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.